Red Basket Cake Company in Camarillo, and I'm going to show you how to do a citrus cupcake. I personally like lemon cupcakes, so what you need is your cupcake mix and then some lemon concentrate. You can get this like in the specialty stores, and that's get the one is like almost chunky, because that way you don't have to do the whole peeling of the zest of the lemon to add to it for the flavor or anything like that. So after you have your mix, you add some lemon on the thing. About the quantity of the flavoring, it's up to you. I don't know. This depends how much do you want it to be, how lemony. A lot of people doesn't like them very citrusy. Other people likes it very, very much so. So then you just start mixing, and it gets that nice yellow color to it.